Hey, how are you? I just wanted to talk about goal setting. Goal setting is one of my favourite subjects. I always set goals, and quite regularly I achieve them. I think it's good to have a mindset of, hey, I've achieved a goal, even though it's a small one, because then it makes you motivated to achieve other goals. It's better than having a really big goal and failing at it and such and feeling that way of failure, because then you won't be so motivated to set any more goals because you think you can't achieve them anyway. So, have you set any goals in the past? How did you set them? What kind of goals did you set? How big were they? Were they massive? Is that why you didn't achieve them? If you have a really big goal, it'd be really good to break it down into sub goals, into a whole range of smaller goals. That way you can do one little thing every single day. And with keeping your big dream in mind, with that little single thing that you can do every day, you will be on your way to achieving your big dream anyway. Living your dream, that's what it's all about. What happened when you set goals and you did achieve them? How did you do that? Did you write them down? Did you write them down in a certain format? Did you create sub goals so it wasn't such a big chunk that you had to achieve? Were you feeling guilty if you didn't do anything for one day? What was it? What was it that made you either achieve or not achieve your dreams? It's very important to pause the video here and have a think about it. Have a think about how you set goals in the past and how it went for you.